word Bula in Fijian means to welcome someone with a positive attitude. But the meaning goes way beyond a simple hello. It's a way for them to greet strangers with a smile. And the tradition of kava, a drink that comes from a root, it's about accepting people into their family. This made me think that one of the biggest challenges we have is not really to have new ideas, but actually to welcome them and to believe that the vision we have can actually come to life if we fully accept it.
Vai, Wade! 5 del mattino, correre su una duna con tutto il team di rugby delle Figi. Anthony Walsh, ragazzi, leggenda del Dio di Ariadna, però sì. Andre Musgrove, ragazzi, guardatelo qui, rugby team, let's go! Tutti gasati marci, tutti pazzi, yeah ratta, yeah! Ancora 9 volte io mi corro su giù, questa è una partita. Svegliati raga, yeah! Siamo andati. Oh mio Dio, ti ha ammazzata! È pazza! È pazza! Sei matto! Ora è arrivato il momento di fare un po' di acro yoga. Buona piattaforma perfetta.
On my way back to the airport, the taxi driver told me, "Our form of love is to welcome strangers and help each other. We really believe in that. If everybody would think like that, there would probably be no conflict." The driver was actually Indian and he told me his family was welcomed by the Fijians 5 generations ago. That was still very special for him.
A soul that is drifting away.
As the intention of Bula goes way beyond a simple word, the goal here is much bigger than creating something that just looks cool. It's about finding that state of mind that makes self-expression the only way to move forward. So welcome any idea you have and feel free to express it however you like. Because the most important thing is actually to take part of this process of getting to know who you really are.